Hello everyone, the question is capacitation occurs in. The options are A. Epididymis, B. Vas deferens, C. Female reproductive tract, and D option is retitestis. So first of all, these two and the option D, these are the parts of male reproductive system. Epididymis, vas deferens and retitestis. So let's see what is capacitation. So capacitation is the activation of sperms. So first thing, it is activation of sperms. So when the sperms are released or the semen is released into the female's reproductive tract, then these sperms are not ready to fertilize the egg. First of all, they are need to be activated, and this occurs in the female reproductive tract. So the activation of sperms in female reproductive tract is known as capacitation, and it activates the sperm so that now the receptors on sperms are able to fuse with the egg. So it is for exposing the receptors particularly, and these changes are basically occurring in the acrosome region of a sperm. So the capacitation is activation of sperm in female's reproductive tract, and it involves there certain changes basically on the acrosome, and these changes include the removal of cholesterol which are deposited on the acrosome. So removal of cholesterol, it is by the albumin proteins which are there in the female's reproductive system, and also the removal of certain carbohydrates and proteins which are present on the surface of sperms. So removal of carbohydrates and proteins, and also there will be a change in membrane of sperm. So polarity, there will be change in membrane polarity of the sperm, as there will be the exchange of calcium ions and potassium ion, and so there will be change in membrane polarity of the sperm. So all these changes in the sperm, they are required for the activation which brings about the fertilization, and it takes about 5 to 6 hours for the activation of sperms, and only the capacitated sperms are able to fertilize the egg. So from all these discussion, we can now clarify that capacitation occurs in the female reproductive tract. Here the sperms are made capable of fertilization. So the right answer of this question is female reproductive tract or option C. I hope it is clear. All the best.